guys, I'm Bikram. You watching Tech 360 YouTube channel. Today talk about internet category. What is dark and deep web? In the first we can discuss about internet. Internet is full of information. Everyone read topics according to their interest and gain information. Internet is made up of billions of devices connected together and share information all over the world. Big amount of people don't know about that. Internet is divided into three categories. These are surface web, deep web and dark web. So today we can discuss about these three categories. Surface web. Surface web is the normal web which is visible for all users using internet. The websites in the surface web is indexed by search engines. Google is the great example of search engine. The user can open websites and gain information. But the interesting thing is that the surface web is only a 4% area of internet that the users used. The internet is a more bigger place. But the big amount of people don't know. First off, deep web. Deep web is the secret web which is not visible for normal user. The deep web consists of a website or any page on the website which are not indexed by search engines. The user can only access it if she has a authorized person to access it and has any permission like URL, username and password, etc. Deep web is used to store most personal information like cloud storages, any organization personal data and military data, etc. And dark web. But now we can discuss about the most dangerous part of the internet, which is called dark web or darknet. Dark web is illegal to use. All criminal activities are acted upon on dark web. The criminal activities like drugs dealing, killing humans, etc. The user can only access it if the user has Tor browser. The Tor means the onion router. It can make layers of many IPs and the user surf the internet anonymously. Many dark web websites are banned by Tor, but the dark web is totally not cleared. So my decision is that don't go on the dark web because it was illegal and I am not responsible for any bad thing. I don't promote illegal activities and I am not responsible for any illegal activity. I hope after watching this video you can know about what is surface web, deep web and dark web. This is my opinion about this topic. If I can take any mistake, please comment me and I am waiting for your response. So guys, these differences between a surface web, dark web, and deep web. If this video was informative and clear your confusion about the three types of internet, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe this channel for new video. Thank you for watching.